Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can upload test scripts from the Process Navigator to Cloud ALM. This saves time and ensures your testing follows SAP best practice business processes. First, you're going to log on to SAP For Me and open the Process Navigator. There you will navigate to Solution Processes and then filter on, for example, S/4HANA Private Cloud and select the solution process that you want to upload the test script to. If you're going to scroll down a bit, you will find the test script in an Excel file. You're going to download it, and we're going to see in a second how this looks like. You will find all of the test steps and the according activities mapped in the Excel spreadsheet. And then you can already go into Cloud ALM to test preparation. There you're going to upload this Excel file. You will also map to which solution process this belongs to, and then automatically all of the information will be extracted from the file. The last thing that you have to do is map this test case to an existing solution process. So you're gonna do this by clicking Reassign. And then you're already done. When you go to the Structure tab, you will find all of the test steps. And to the Content tab, you will find all of the activities users have to perform. And that's it, you're done. Good luck!